2015, the European Commission published a new standard for the classification of electric cables according to their reaction to fire. The standard is named EN 505/75. The new standard is a part of the European Construction Products Regulation, CPR, and its purpose is to ensure that all cables used in permanent installations in buildings in the EU shall be assessed, classified and approved according to the same criteria. Previous classification systems were based solely on flame spread, whereas the new standard imposes requirements on testing of energy content, acid content, heat and smoke release, flaming droplets, and risk of flame spread. The standard replaces the previous fire performance classes with 7 new designations from A to F, where A implies that the product is non-combustible and F that the fire performance characteristics cannot be determined. Of these new fire performance classes, C, D and E will be the classes primarily used for cables. Class E is the lowest level allowing approval for installation in buildings. In addition, there are supplementary classes stipulating requirements on smoke production, droplets, and acid content. The lower the figure, the more stringent the requirements. Each country decides the respective fire classifications applicable for different types of buildings. For information regarding which agency determines buildings' fire classification requirements in your country, please refer to our website. The new classes under the CPR regulation will be introduced successively during the period 1st of July 2016 to 1st of July 2017. For the duration of this transitional period, there will be cables on the market tested according to both the new and previous standards. After the 1st of July 2017, the new standard will become mandatory. This means that cables classed according to the old standard may no longer be brought to the European market. Bear in mind that there will not necessarily be any changes in appearance, name or article number for cables available on the market today. For this reason, it is important that you look for the fire classification and CE marking mandatory from 1st of July 2017. On cables classed according to the new standard, the CE marking shows that the product has a Declaration of Performance, DOP. This declaration gives the product's most important characteristics in a uniform European format. This allows you to compare similar products with each other, regardless of where they were manufactured. All NKT cables packaging will be labelled with a CE marking and CPR class. When choosing products from NKT cables, you can be sure that you're getting cables that fulfill all requirements set out in the new CPR directive. Read more on CPR at nktcables.com. Here you can find DOP, links to relevant agencies, and all other information you might require. We will make sure you are ready for a new standard.